Hi everyone, welcome back to English Step by Step. Today, we're diving into 30 semantic fields with high-frequency words. Let's begin. A semantic field is a group of words related to a specific topic or theme. Learning vocabulary in these groups makes your language more precise and helps you express ideas effectively. Let's explore 30 semantic fields. 1. Nature. Words glacier, canyon, savanna, tundra, dune, rainforest, coral reef, plateau, flat, elevated landform, estuary, river meeting the sea, archipelago, group of islands. 2. Science. Words molecule, atom, compound, synthesis, combination of elements, catalyst, substance speeding up reactions, nucleus, ion, velocity, diffusion, spectrometer. 3. Space exploration. Words trajectory, path of an object in motion, galaxy, black hole, orbit, satellite, space probe, vacuum, launchpad, comet, rover. 4. Technology. Words encryption, securing data, virtual reality, bandwidth, data transfer capacity, automation interface, firmware, blockchain, augmented reality, cyber attack, coding. 5. Health and medicine. Words prognosis, likely course of a disease, chronic, long-lasting, rehabilitation, diagnosis, prescription, epidemic, ailment, vaccination, anesthesia, symptom. 6. Education. Words pedagogy, teaching methods, syllabus, outline of topics, dissertation, extracurricular, tutorial, seminar, curriculum, mentor, scholarship, apprenticeship. Crime and law. Words warrant, litigation, testimony, prosecutor, alibi, cross-examination, jury, subpoena, penal code, parole. Travel and tourism. Words itinerary, transit, backpacking, hospitality, wanderlust, expedition, sightseeing, accommodation, trekking, voyage. Emotions and feelings. Words anguish, jubilation, serenity, despair, gratitude, vulnerability, resentment, elation, melancholy, euphoria. Environment and sustainability. Words biodiversity, deforestation, overfishing, preservation, conservation, emissions, afforestation, renewable recycling, pollution control. Literature and storytelling. Words protagonist, antagonist, subplot, narrative arc, climax, foreshadowing, metaphor, simile. Politics and resolution. Politics and governance. Words sovereignty, supreme authority, diplomacy, referendum, constitution, jurisdiction, electorate, populism, bureaucracy, legislation, federalism. Economy and finance. Words inflation, deficit, shortage of funds, revenue, assets, equity, recession, expenditure, surplus portfolio, debt restructuring. 14. Relationships. Words rapport, harmonious relationship, loyalty, camaraderie, estrangement, harmony, reconciliation, kinship, intimacy, respect, companionship. 15. Art and creativity. Words palette, range of colors, brushstroke, proportion, perspective, minimalism, mural, large wall painting, gallery, abstraction, exhibit, aesthetic. Let's pause for an activity. Choose one semantic field, like urban life, and try using 5 of the words in a short paragraph. For example, the bustling marketplace was alive with neon lights and pedestrians hurried past graffiti-covered walls, dodging the congested traffic. Share your paragraph in the comments. I'd love to see your creativity. Sports and fitness. Words agility, ability to move quickly, stamina, endurance, flexibility, tactic, interval training, referee, coordination, strength, resilience, that warm-up, philosophy and ethics. Words altruism, selfless concern for others, deontology, ethics of duty, virtue, morality, autonomy, reasoning, existentialism, philosophy of choice, integrity, relativism, justice. 18. Communication. Words, dialogue, assertion, articulation, negotiation, rhetoric, persuasive language, eloquence, correspondence, persuasion, rebuttal, query. 19. Mathematics. Words, algorithm, variable, equation, calculus, symmetry, theorem, proven statement, geometry, tangent, matrix, probability. History and culture. Words, dynasty, revolution, colonization, artifact, heritage, excavate, trade route, civilization, empire, higher. Historical context. Fashion and style. Words, silhouette, outline of a shape, couture, high-end fashion, accessory, embroidery, hemline, chic, vintage, runway, tailored fabric. Transportation. Words, locomotive, infrastructure, navigation, autopilot, aviation, embarkation, terminal, cruise, freight carriage. Weather and climate. Words, precipitation, monsoon, drought, humidity, cyclone, forecast, barometer, cold front, atmospheric pressure, heat wave. Food and nutrition. Words, carbohydrates, protein, antioxidants, metabolism, hydration, organoid, gluten-free, dietitian, macronutrients. Psychology and behavior. Words, cognition, resilience, therapy, subconscious perception, emotional intelligence, mindset, adaptability, introspection, mindfulness. Journalism and media. Words, headline, editorial, censorship, propaganda, columnist, investigative journalism, anchor, press release, broadcasting bias. Business and entrepreneurship. Words, startup, stakeholder, branding, scalability, franchise, operations, merger, negotiation, logistics, leadership. Music and performance. Words, melody, harmony, improvisation, tempo, genre, crescendo, gradual increase in volume, dynamics, orchestration, symphony, acoustics. Social issues. Words, poverty, inequality, discrimination, activism, advocacy, welfare, sustainability, human rights, unemployment, gender equality. Technology in daily life. Words, smart device, wearable tech, cloud computing, touch screen, Wi-Fi, app integration, power bank, automation, remote access, Bluetooth. Here's a challenge for you. I'll give you 3 words from the same semantic field, and your task is to create a sentence using all of them. Let's try. Words, recession, inflation, budget, from economy and finance. Words, despair, empathy, anticipation, from emotions and feelings. Words, biodiversity, conservation, pollution, from environment and sustainability. Here are some examples. During the recession, many families struggled to manage their budgets due to rising inflation. She felt a mix of despair and empathy as she watched the movie, anticipating the tragic ending. Conservation efforts are essential to preserving biodiversity and reducing pollution.
Did you come up with different sentences? Share them in the comments. And that's it. 30 advanced semantic fields to transform your English vocabulary. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to English Step by Step for more lessons. See you next time, and good luck with your studies.